Dude, it's so gross. Hey, what's up guys? I'm sitting here editing my video and I've just realized I'm missing a clip. I don't know what happened to it, so this is my new intro. Basically, this video is me attempting to do zombie beer wench makeup. And I went to Germany last September and I bought a dirndl for Oktoberfest, and I was like, cool, I can wear it for Halloween next year and just be like a dead one rather than like a live one that I was at Oktoberfest. So that's the whole idea for my costume this year, and that's what this video is. So please enjoy me failing at this makeup. Oh my gosh. This is why it was $2, you guys, because it's garbage. I just want the base to be normal. Watch my skin falls off after this. It does not want to stay at all. And I feel like the more I put on, the worse it gets. It's a fever dream, you guys. I just need to let it stay like so. So I'm gonna like pat it on. I am not a makeup artist, as you can probably tell. Yes. This looks disgusting. I just need like a red nose, and that's how I feel right now. My hair! Ah! Do you envy me? Because I'm living. If I had a microphone, I'd be like. The white makeup makes my teeth look so yellow. I'm self-conscious! Ah! Hey guys, I'm back, and hold on. Okay, I'm back. My face is a little red from rubbing it off. It's totally fine. I am going to try this again because I think when I kept putting on more coats, it was like freaking it out. So I'm hoping if I put it on more evenly, it'll work better this time.
Simba.
I don't know if I want to put it on my chest, but I might. I don't know. That's why I'm wearing a tank top, because my dirndl will show my chest. So I wanted to be able to I didn't want to get makeup on my dirndl. It's starting to dry down. You guys, you have to act fast. It doesn't look great. I'm gonna let it dry down, and then I'm gonna put my setting powder on, and then I'll start doing like the contour and stuff. Hello, I'm back. Again, it's really blotchy. I let it dry. It's pretty dry at this point. I feel like I'm wearing a face mask where I don't want to like have too many emotions.
Can't show emotion for another hour and a half.
I have this Fit Me freaking translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna put this on my face, even though it's already set. But when I tried to put the powder on before, it like smudged it. You can see like right here, it's really smudged. But at this point, y'all are gonna get what you're gonna get. I'm literally going to a party with like 10 people, maybe 15. I don't know. I am fine, even though I'm not. Like, to be real with you guys, the election's in 2 days, and I'm very stressed out about it. I'm not gonna get into my like beliefs, but I'm really nervous. I feel like if Trump wins, everyone's gonna lose their mind. And then if Biden wins, I don't know if everyone will lose their minds, but I do feel like there will be some kind of like protesting or whatever. So next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is like collab eyebrow pencil thing. 2 weeks ago, I had to take a Rona test because I had like a really bad cough. I don't know if it's like the Rona or if my allergies are just really bad, but I got tested just in case, and it came back negative, so I was good. I don't have like a mirror, you guys. I'm using this. It's just to smudge something in my eye. It doesn't look great, but I'm not good at eyeliner. Using this. She said to put it on my outer corner. Here we go. This looks like this blue that I'm using. It's in the like James Charles palette, and it's very blue. You don't need a lot because it's really like pigmented. Does it look bruised to you? I'm gonna use this brown. This looks really bad. It's supposed to look bad, but like it doesn't look bad in a good way. Okay, next I'm gonna be doing contour. So I'm using this butter bronzer. I don't know what shade this is. Sorry guys. I don't think this is dark enough, honestly. Hold on. I am not a makeup artist. You guys, I look terrible. putting it on my lips now, trying to tone down the color. Lily. I look like I got punched in the mouth. Putting it on my forehead too, because that's what the nice lady said to do. Okay, that's blue. Now we get some green. I feel like I went a little too hard on the lips. I feel like I need like a dark lip now. I guess I can use this, like a dark brown almost. I don't want to put a ton, but enough to where my lips don't look like bare. Well, this is as good as it's gonna get, you guys. It looks so bad. You know, I tried my best. Here I am. I can't remember if I tied on the left or the right, but right now it's on the left. I did it. I look dead. Killing it. Me and my cat. This is my cat. Thank you for watching a very not good tutorial of how to do makeup. This is my costume. I can barely breathe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.